Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Will Brackett. I own American Elite Roofing, and I'm very proud, very honored to be working with my insurance group. As a matter of fact, they're like family. I know all those guys, and we've been working together for, I'd say, coming up on 4 years. My favorite thing about them is their culture. They're family, but they know how to have fun, and they work hard. And that's primarily why I vibe so well with them. We work well together because, I run my business the same way. It's a family-ran business. We like to have fun, but we work hard. So I continue to send them business, and likewise, they send me business because we formed a partnership. You can call it family, and we trust each other with our clients, and so I'm going to continue to do so. And I think if you're watching this video, you should give them a shot too. They'll earn your business, but then they'll also keep your business in that relationship that you guys begin to build. So y'all take care.